of recovering from all her illness, Berman does not appear to have much about which to feel optimistic. However, the act of painting the leaf for Jansi brings an optimist hue to his life. Hello, this class we are going to learn about the lesson The Last Sleep, written by O. Henry. We will see the summary of the lesson. The Lost Sleep takes place during the second decade of the 20th century in New York City's Greenwich Village, and has on as its central characters an old artist, Berman, whose path crosses with that of young artist Jansi, and who gives her an incentive to leave when she becomes seriously ill. A third artist, Jui, is another young woman with whom Jansi lives. Jansi contracts pneumonia and is convinced that she will die when the last of the leaves have fallen from a tree that she can see outside of her window. Louis wishes she could do something to help her friend, but is powerless to do anything that would alter her fate. The last sleep, however, never seems to fall. The last sleep is respectively simple as the story of goals. It becomes apparent that it is actually a deep exploration of friendship and the commitments and self sacrifices that are to such a relationship. Told in third person, The Lost Sleep shows the three authors to be one mind in a sense. Zoe is committed to the piece she is working on throughout the big story. Berman continues to work on unfinished, in truth non existent masterpiece. Jansi, although an artist, is not as committed to her art as all the other two, but she is single mindedly committed to accepting that her death will come with the falling of the final leaf from the ivy vine. They all share an ability to retain focused on a goal, and it may be significant whether their goals are the same or not. That Johnsy and Jui share a friendship comes as no surprise. There are similar with a similar interest. Zhu demonstrates her commitment to friendship by wanting to help Jansi get well when a man first enters the story. He seems to be something of cranky old man. It soon becomes clear that he is more than that and has a true liking for both young women, most probably because he shares their interest in an art and can understand the sacrifices and commitments living an artist's life entails. After a doctor visits Jersey, the theme of commitment is understood. He reveals that there is not much he can do for her unless she commits herself to recovering. She has mostly given up hope, and the doctor believes that focusing on getting well would serve he better than looking at the leaves and waiting for them to fall. The leaves Jansi watches tumble from the vine lead her into sadness, but Berman paints one that comes to represent hope as it leads to some improvement in her condition when he that the final leaf has not fallen. This might be the most obvious example of simple among those that appear in the story. In the other instance, Henry compares art and literature and how they encourage their creators to push themselves and thus represent the sacrifices that artists and writers make in their lives that people in order to walks of life are not aware of. Burman symbolizes both literally and figuratively the final sacrifice as such is a validation of the commitment inherent is in true friendship. The remaining leaf, the one that sustains Jansi and changes her outlook on life and death, is not a leaf on the tree, but one painted by Brahman on the window. This becomes the old artist's masterwork. He dies from the pneumonia he developed while painting the leaf outside in the storm, a symbol of his ultimate sacrifice for his friend. This final act of Burman life not only helps Jhansi to recover, it is life affirming even for Burman, even as it leads to his death. Although money and the creation of the masterpiece had proved elusive, creating the simple yet masterfully painted leaf for Jhansi's salvation completed by life's work. The struggles between optimism and pessimism is another theme in the Lost Leaf. Jansi appears to have a pessimistic personality, and other must influence her to consider the positivity.